In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Shared with Me Google Drive. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account in your web browser. We'll start simple by heading to Google's homepage. Open your browser, go to google.com, and look toward the top right of the page. You'll see a small grid of dots, often called the Google Apps icon. Click that to open the app launcher. This menu is where Google keeps quick links to all its services. From the menu, choose Drive. That takes you straight into Google Drive, where your files live. On the left side of Drive, you'll see different sections like My Drive and, just below it, Shared with Me. Click Shared with Me. This view shows files and folders that other people have shared with you. Think of it like an inbox for shared content. It isn't your storage, and you're not the owner of most items here. Now, find the file or folder you want to remove from this view. When you've located it, right-click on the item to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click usually works too. You can also select multiple items first by holding Shift or Control on your keyboard and then right-clicking one of them. From the menu that appears, click Remove. The moment you do this, the item disappears from your Shared with Me section. This does not delete the file for anyone else, and it doesn't transfer ownership. You're simply removing the shortcut to it from your shared list, which helps keep your drive tidy and focused on what you actually need. A quick note for clarity. Removing an item from Shared with Me doesn't affect the original file. The owner and other collaborators will still see it and can keep working on it. If you ever need that file again, and you still have the link or it's shared with you in the future, you'll be able to open it. Also, if you've previously added a shortcut to your My Drive, you might still see it there. Shared with Me is just one view. If you're working through a long list, it can help to use the search bar at the top to filter by file name or type before you remove items. And if you remove something by mistake, you can always ask the owner to share it again or send the link. That's it. You've cleaned up your Shared with Me section by removing items you no longer need to see, without affecting anyone else's access or deleting their files.